We're riding the PeopleMover. All right, we finally made it on. Took a little bit, about another 2 or 3 minutes. Don't know exactly what was going on. I must say, it's cooling down. It's cooling down a lot. Took off my jacket because it was so warm. Door's closing. Door has closed. So we were eating at Cosmic Rays, and it was really warm in there. It was actually a little bit uncomfortable there towards the end. It was just too long sitting in that really, really warm weather, and we're kind of bundled up today. Had to take off my jacket, take off my beanie. Check out this contraption right here from many years and years and years ago. What is that? I'm just kidding. It's a security camera. They're arriving and we're leaving. Whoa, whoa, here comes the curve. Oh my God.
Service around Tomorrowland.
That one's always fun. There's another one coming up soon. I want to ride the Astro Orbiter. But he was terrified of that one. I have to go by myself.
You know what? I'll film you.
Greetings, intergalactic travelers. Welcome aboard
Sounds
the PeopleMover, presented by Enterprise. I'm Mark 5, your guide aboard this.
It's not as full as we thought it would be, maybe because of the marathon, but there's still a lot of people here. There's a lot of people. It's just that we've seen it like where it's so packed. Like to get on PeopleMover without a huge line at this time of night is kind of like a miracle. They are working over there on Buzz Lightyear. Whoa, here's the other one. Woo! I think there's another curve coming up. Is that the one, or is it just the one that's coming up? Let's see how this one feels.
Next station is Tomorrowland Urban Planning.
The lap
and Star Traders.
Oh, I don't know.
Transfer to green and
Here we go.
a little bit. To the future. Right by 2 of my favorite spots.
Oh wow, look at the castle. Oh my God, I missed it. Sorry guys. We're already in the tunnel. By the time I got to click the button, too late.
First up, Progress City.
Progress
Walt
City.
Disney's amazing
Check
dream
that out.
for a community of tomorrow. Did you know Progress City inspired Epcot and a lot of the visionary ideas throughout Walt Disney World? Look, there's even a tiny PeopleMover. I wonder if that means there's a tiny ORAC.
That looks awesome. All right. What else is going on here?
On your right, is
Outbound
Star Traders,
departure.
home to the greatest goods in the galaxy, except actual stars.
It's a nice rocket. Oh, we were just in that store. It didn't film, but we were just in there checking out all the new merch. Yeah, I didn't block that one. Anti-gravities, that's where we get our ice cream. Astro Orbiter up there. Look at that!
And
Little,
these are 2 of the best tracks.
looks like a little Martian spaceship right there.
Speedy competition.
Tomorrowland Speedway. Oh, there's the Contemporary and the Bay Lake Tower right there. Also known as the BLT. There's Tron. Speedway.
Attention all visitors from Galaxy M31. Please keep forward-facing tentacles clear.
Crossing trains. Woo!
Thank you.
Come on, Tron. Show us your colors. We got blue. Only blue tonight. Another train. More crossing trains. Yep. Now entering Space Mountain.
Attention all visitors from Galaxy M31.
This is Starport 75, or as we locals call it, Space Mountain. Our high-speed
You hear? Starport 75. It's not Spaceport. Starsport. I mean Starport 75. It's incredible that we forget some of the things. Astronauts in space. Guys, you're upside down. Astronauts. Upside down astronauts. Starport 75. Okay, let's not forget that one.
Refreshing retreat in the galaxy. The coral moons of Pisces 7. You H2 owe it to yourself. Book today.
I think I saw a dog down there. Dog with an astronaut outfit. Canine Astro. Astro from the Jetsons is what I'm thinking about. Row. Oh, look at that, how cool. Well, you don't see much here, man. It's very, very dark. My God. I did ride Space Mountain the other day with Pinky. I think the last time we came with her. It was on the Christmas, at the Christmas party that night. Yeah. That was really fun. Yeah, it's hard to see today. Not much to see there. It's so dark here at Space Mountain. I see the light ahead. Yeah.
Paging Mr. Morrow, Mr. Tom Morrow. Please contact Mr. Johnson in the control tower to confirm your flight to the moon. Thank you.
Mr. Johnson, confirming our flight to the moon, please. Oh, there they go. Red, looked like the red train this time. Yeah.
Attention all visitors from Galaxy
Yeah. Felt like it took forever, right? 5 years building Tron.
Clear of oncoming vehicles. Thank you.
Now we're waiting for Monsters Inc. roller coaster to be built. And the Encanto Land, which is going to have a ride.
To your right is the Astro Orbiter, our celestial symbol of interplanetary harmony and fellowship. Hop aboard and launch high above Tomorrowland for a spin amongst the planets.
Beautiful sight here. There's Joffrey's. Coffee. It's moving? Yeah, it's moving. This is the back of the Galactic Theater right here. The backside of the Galactic
The next station is
Theater, and it looks like nothing's happening there tonight.
As usual, we'll keep moving ahead. And so is the case.
Carousel of Progress.
Progress itself, this theater never stops, inspiring new generations to dream of a great, big, beautiful tomorrow.
This is always enjoyable, especially now that there's a really cool breeze. Feels really nice. It's almost like if we have the air conditioner on, right? Feels like that.
Feels nice.
Feels really nice. Oh no, we're going into a tunnel again. Dark tunnel. There's some light over here. Oh yeah, hidden Mickey on the belt, the girl's belt. Mickey Mouse is a belt buckle right there. What's that, babe?
They have the buzz portion closed off so we can't see it.
Oh, Buzz Lightyear,
It'd
yeah.
be nice if they would like open it when it's ready, but not quite ready to ride so that we can peek.
Yeah. They're gonna have detachable guns now, is what they said. You're gonna have the gun in your hand.
That's cool.
I don't know if it's gonna have a cable attached to it. Probably. I guess a cable would be attached, or maybe it's infrared, whatever, like remote control kind of thing.
Is it new vehicles too then?
That I don't know, but who knows? Oh wow, a lot of people waiting for fireworks.
Yep.
Take the time to see this show.
Oh wow.
now approaching
We're just gonna ride.
Tomorrowland Station.
Huh?
It's
My fellow
8:25.
platforms, our PeopleMover journey has
8:25 p.m. Fireworks start at 9 tonight.
Thanks for riding with us. It's been a pleasure to have you.
And the park closes at 9. Oh my god, it's almost closing time.
Because now is the time. Now is the best time to go out and explore tomorrow. Today. See you in the
Oh man, we're arriving at the station. I don't want it to end. I'm enjoying the ride.
This ride.
I thought it was longer. It's only 9 minutes.
Oh, that's not bad. You know, the first time I did it, I was so nervous because when you start
No,
going
by the
to
time we get there, it'll be
Space
10 or
Mountain,
11.
I thought we were going to go on a coaster.
Oh
And I
yeah?
was like, what did I do?
You're terrified. beautiful tomorrow.
Please keep
There's that staircase I was talking about. Goes all the way up to Astro Orbiter.
doors.
It's probably only for employees.
Automatically. Step on
Yeah, it's always chained off.
with caution and exit by stepping away from the car. Thank you.
More people getting on the People Mover.
Keep arms, antennae, and other appendages away from the doors. Remain seated. Attention travelers. Your journey has been temporarily delayed.
Okay, here we go. Doors are opening.
Attention travelers. Your journey has been temporarily delayed. For your safety,
Yeah? Oh, okay.
please remain seated.
Thank you.
Thank you.
All right, they let us out. I don't think the people behind us can get out yet. They're probably stuck. The conveyor belt stopped now. Do you notice the conveyor belt stopped? It did. Good night. Thank you. Good year. The speed ramp. Back on the speed ramp. Yeah, they're still stuck on. The last family's still stuck on the train. Oh wow, baby, look, the line grew. Oh my god. A lot more people now. I don't know. It's a little bigger, not huge, but a little bigger than before. A little longer line. Thanks for riding. Presented by Enterprise.